Hi, this is Paul with Synergy, and this is a video on how to work with blocks within the ClubsitePro framework. Now, ClubsitePro is essentially a WordPress multi-site installation with something called Gutenberg. Now, Gutenberg allows us to change the layout on a page, and to do that, it uses something called block. Now, a block can contain a lot of different things. It can contain text, as you can see right here. It can contain an image, it can contain a slideshow, or a gallery, or a video. What we're going to do right now is we are going to just add a block to this page right here. So if I mouse over this section right here, you'll see a plus appear so that I can insert a block. So I'm just going to, by default, it's a text block. Otherwise, I can select a different block type. And that's it. Now I have two blocks. If I mouse over the block, you'll see a little menu appear here. This little down arrow, so I can click Move Down, and it moved my top block to my bottom block. Or I can grab this little, I don't know, looks like a little 6 on a dice. I can grab it and I can just drag it to where I want. So now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to drag it down under this block, and you can see there's a little line that shows where it's going. Okay, see that blue line? There we go. Now when you have a block selected, and you do that just by clicking into it, you'll see on the right side there are some attributes of the block. I can change the font size for the entire block, drop caps, I can add CSS classes, and each time I change, the right side will be for that specific block. What we're going to do now is we're going to add another block to the top, a slightly different kind of block. So here we go. I'm going to mouse, I'm going to click on Insert Block, and I will make this an image block. So click on my plus over here on the left. So what I see here now is a search box, and then I see a bunch of different types of blocks that I can insert. This section here is called Most Used. So when I use a different kind of block, it's going to pull it up into this Most Used. I can scroll down and I can look at the different kinds of blocks, click to drop it open. Chances are when you've been working with it for a while, you're going to see the blocks that you need in the Most Used. In this case, I want an image block. I can see it right there, but I can also just start typing. And it shows me everything with the word image in it. So I'm just going to select my image block. And from here, I can upload. I can go to my media library, which are the images that are already on my website, or I can insert from a URL, which you'll do seldomly. That's if you're just going to grab an image from somebody else's website. I'm going to select Upload, and I'm going to grab an image from my computer. So there's a nice home course map. We'll click Open. And you can see it's pulled the image in. It's constrained the size so that it fits within my window. And let's take a look and see what that page looks like. So I'm going to click my Update. And then I'm going to view the page to see what it looks like. Okay, there's my image. There's my other two blocks down at the bottom. Let's say that I want to move my image down under this block. I can go back and edit my page. And I can mouse over. I can either click the down to move it down one, or I can click and hold on my little 6 thing there, and then drag it so that I see the blue line right under the block that I want it to go in. Okay, so now I have the text block, and then my image block, and then my other text block. So let's update that, and let's take a look at it. And there we go. There's my text block, my image, and my other text block. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.